But you gotta do it by sunrise.
What happens at sunrise?
But you gotta do it by sunrise.
What happens at sunrise? I gotta seize my moment. I gotta seize my moment.
Musicians gotta bring their own instruments. Musicians gotta bring their own instruments.
You gotta stay with me, boy. You gotta stay with me, boy.
Amigo, we gotta get to a dozen ofrendas tonight. Amigo, we gotta get to a dozen ofrendas tonight.
Blessing, we gotta find my great-great-grandpa. Blessing, we gotta find my great-great-grandpa.
You just gotta let me cross that bridge. You just gotta let me cross that bridge.
You gotta have some of the family. You gotta have some of the family.
Okay, you wanna perform? Then you got to perform. Okay, you wanna perform? Then you got to perform.
We gotta get out of here.
What? Are you crazy?
We gotta get out of here.
What? Are you crazy?
Listen, I've gotta be somewhere. Listen, I've gotta be somewhere. But I really gotta go.
But don't worry!
But I really gotta go.
But don't worry!
I love you, but if we're gonna make this work, you gotta be more than Mr. Incredible. I love you, but if we're gonna make this work, you gotta be more than Mr. Incredible. I gotta go pick up the kids from school. See you tonight. I gotta go pick up the kids from school. See you tonight. Right now, honey, the world just wants us to fit in, and to fit in, we just gotta be like everybody else. Right now, honey, the world just wants us to fit in, and to fit in, we just gotta be like everybody else.
Great. First a car, now I gotta pay to fix a table.
The car? What happened to the car?
Great. First a car, now I gotta pay to fix a table.
The car? What happened to the car?
We gotta pay to keep the company quiet. We gotta pay damages, erase memories, relocate your family. We gotta pay to keep the company quiet. We gotta pay damages, erase memories, relocate your family.
Hey, it's great to see you, but I gotta tell you, I have no idea what you're talking about. Hey, it's great to see you, but I gotta tell you, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh, come on! You gotta admit this is cool! Oh, come on! You gotta admit this is cool!
First, you gotta put down the shovel. First, you gotta put down the shovel.
So now we've got to go back to never using our power. So now we've got to go back to never using our power.
One of us has gotta get a job. One of us has gotta get a job. To help my family, I gotta leave it. To fix the law, I gotta break it.
You'll be great.
To help my family, I gotta leave it. To fix the law, I gotta break it.
You'll be great.
You gotta help me here.
Violet hates me, and you, and superheroes. I gotta fix this. What?
You gotta help me here.
Violet hates me, and you, and superheroes. I gotta fix this. What?
I gotta tell you, it's pretty strange to see a recording of yourself the night before it happened. I gotta tell you, it's pretty strange to see a recording of yourself the night before it happened.
Gotta get a way to keep it pure. I know I do. Gotta get a way to keep it pure. I know I do.
Oh, cookies. I gotta get cookies. Oh, cookies. I gotta get cookies. I gotta go. I'll be home soon. I gotta go. I'll be home soon.
Well, we gotta do something! Well, we gotta do something!
I'm gonna press the button! Not yet! I'm gonna press the button! Not yet!
I gotta say, it becomes kind of hard to love your job when no one seems to like you for doing it. I gotta say, it becomes kind of hard to love your job when no one seems to like you for doing it. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here.
I bet you really gotta watch where you step in a game called Hero's Duty. I bet you really gotta watch where you step in a game called Hero's Duty.
Where are the carts?
You gotta make one.
Where are the carts?
You gotta make one.
Ow! Ow! Wow!
Oh, you gotta watch out for the splash. That stuff is broiling hot. Oh, you gotta watch out for the splash. That stuff is broiling hot. Gotta keep it under control. No more glitching. Gotta keep it under control. No more glitching.
All right, come on, we gotta get out of here. All right, come on, we gotta get out of here. But I gotta say, the best part of my day is when I get thrown off the roof. But I gotta say, the best part of my day is when I get thrown off the roof.
Gotta go. Bye! Gotta go. Bye!
I gotta tell you, you are even cuter than I thought you'd be. I gotta tell you, you are even cuter than I thought you'd be.
Gotta be about the worst birthday ever. Please don't be mad at me. Gotta be about the worst birthday ever. Please don't be mad at me.
I gotta go sit down. I gotta go sit down.
There's gotta be somebody to find my image. There's gotta be somebody to find my image.
I gotta get to work.
This is important, sir.
I gotta get to work.
This is important, sir.
I know whose car this is. We gotta go.
Why? Whose car is it?
I know whose car this is. We gotta go.
Why? Whose car is it?
We gotta go.
I'm not leaving.
We gotta go.
I'm not leaving. That's gotta be it.
Stop talking.
That's gotta be it.
Stop talking.
All we gotta do is find out where they went. All we gotta do is find out where they went. We got a top BOGO! We got a top BOGO! Come on! We gotta get to the ZPD. Come on! We gotta get to the ZPD.
Then we gotta find a fish that can read this. Hey, look, shark!
No.
Then we gotta find a fish that can read this. Hey, look, shark!
No. There's gotta be a way out.
Look,
There's gotta be a way out.
look,
There's gotta be a way out.
look.
Fish gotta swim, birds gotta eat. Fish gotta swim, birds gotta eat.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming. When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming. Wait, I gotta tell you something. Whoa. Wait, I gotta tell you something. Whoa.
But you gotta stay awake. But you gotta stay awake.
She's had at least 4 cups of coffee. It's gotta be soon. She's had at least 4 cups of coffee. It's gotta be soon.
You can do it, kid.
Okay, we gotta be quick.
You can do it, kid.
Okay, we gotta be quick.
Nemo, where's Nemo? I've got to speak with him. Nemo, where's Nemo? I've got to speak with him.
150, I gotta remember that. 150, I gotta remember that. We gotta get to the surface, come on! We gotta get to the surface, come on!
Hey, come on, you gotta try this! Hey, come on, you gotta try this!
I gotta find my son Nemo! I gotta find my son Nemo! Master Shifu, gotta go, see you later! Master Shifu, gotta go, see you later! I gotta go. I gotta go.